At this point in the vacation activity, it asks you to make a pie chart showing your percents. You should have already figured out the percent of transportation, lodging, food, and attractions on a previous slide. Now it's time to make the pie chart. There's really 3 ways that you could do that. So you could print this slide, color in the pie chart, and then take a photo of it. You could also use the polygon tool to color in different sections, or you could use the insert chart. My guess is that once I show this to you, everybody's going to want to use the insert chart, but I'll show you the other 2. To print it, you would just print it, and each little tick mark is 1%. So 5% would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here would be 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. If you wanted to color it in on the computer, what you can do is you can use something called the polygon tool. So I think I'd said polygon, but it's really the polyline tool. So if you go up here, you see line, arrow, curves, and here's a polyline. It lets you draw something the size, the shape that you want. So let's say I had 17% for my transportation costs. So I'm going to draw a shape. Okay. This is 5%. Up to here is 10%. There's 15, 16, 17 would be right there. And then I go here and double click, and there is my section for my transportation. That section is 17%. So you use whatever numbers you have to make the pie chart colored in for transportation, lodging, food, and attractions. The third way that you could do it is to use the tool that comes in Google Slides to make a pie chart. If you go up to Insert, Chart, and pick Pie Chart, it's going to put in a sample chart. Now you can see this says Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, Team 4. I'm going to go up here and go to Open Source. That's where the information's coming from. And instead of Team 1, I'm going to make that transportation, and let's say that that is 21%. I'm going to say lodging, that's the hotels, and I'm going to say that that is 24%. And then I'm going to say food, and let's say that that is 36%. And the last one was attractions or entertainment. And I'm going to say that that is 19%. Now you should use whatever percents you have for your project, not these numbers, okay? Now if I go back to my slides and I say update, you can see now it's updated. It shows my transportation at 21%, my lodging at 24%, my food, and my attractions. And that's another way that you could make your pie chart. Hope that helps.